Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on with the book. Looks like today we're doing number 253. If we start with this box, we're missing 2 and 9. Got a 9 here, so 2, 9. For this row then we're missing a 4. In this row we're missing 3, 4, and 8. We've got a 3 and a 4 here, so this is our 8. That 3 makes this our 4, 3. This box now is missing a 1. For this box, we're missing 2 and 5, and I don't see any help. So 2, 5, 2, 5. For this column, we're missing 2, 7, and 9. No help here. 2, 7, 9. No help here. 2, 7, 9. We've got a 7 here, so 2, 9. For this column, we're missing 1, 2, and 6. We've got a 1 and 2 here, so this is our 6. A 1 here, so 2, 6. For this box now, we're missing 4, 5, 7, and 9. We've got a 7 here, 4, 5, 9. No help here, 4, 5, 7, 9. 5 and 7 here, so 4, 9. 4 here, 5, 7, 9. To finish out this column, we're missing 4, 5, 7, 9. Got 5 and 7 here, so 4, 9. For this column, 1, 2, 3, we're missing 4, 5, 8, and 9. We've got a 4 and an 8 here, so 5, 9. 4 here, so 5, 8, 9. 5 here. We've already made a mistake. How do we have so many 6s? What else was I missing in this column? A 1. 1 couldn't be there, couldn't be there, couldn't be there. So we will make this a 1 and see if we can keep going here. So what was I missing here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, and 9. We've got the 5 there. So 4, 8, 9. If we look at this row, we're missing 5, 6, 7, and 9. We've got a 5 and 6 here and a 9 here, so this is our 7. 5 and 6 here, so this is our 9. 9 makes this our 5, 6. So now we can get rid of this 5 and this 5. That 9 makes this our 2. We can get rid of these 2's. If we look at this column, we're missing 1, 2, and 3. We've got a 1 here, so 2, 3. A 2 here, so 1, 3. 3 here, so 1, 2. For this box, we're missing a 1. For this row now, we're missing 2, 4, 8, and 9. We've got 4 and 9 here, so 2, 8. 4 and 8 here, so 2, 9. So it looks like the only place our 8 can be in that row is here. The only place the 2 can be is here. Get rid of this 8. Now if we look back here, the only place the 8 can be is here. For this row now we're missing 3, 5, and 9. Got a 9 here, so 3, 5, no help here, 3, 5, 9, 3 here, so 5, 9. For this column, we're missing 2, 3, 5, and 6. We've got a 3 here, so 2, 5, 6. 6 here, so 2, 3, 5. Looks like the only place our 6 can be for that column is here. For this column, we're missing 3, 5, and 9. Got the 3 here, so 5, 9. 5 here, so 3, 9. For this row, we're missing 1, 3, 4, 8, and 9. We've got 1, 3, and 9 here. So 4, 8. 4 here, 3 here. So 1, 8, 9. For this row, we're missing 2, 3, 5, 7, 9. Got 3 and 7 here. So 2, 5, 9. For this column, we're missing 1, 2, 5, 8, 9. And I don't see any help. 1, 2, 5, 8, 9. This column, we're just missing 4 and 8, but again, no help. So 4, 8. All right. Let's look back again now. For this column, if the 4 and 9 has to be here or here, that means we can get rid of this 9 and that 4 and 9. All right, guys, I don't know how this is going to work out, but I think we might just have to take a guess. And I'm just going to start here. We'll put a 2 there and a 5 there. 5 would make this our 9. So we can get rid of this 2, this 9, this 9, this 9. Did that help us at all? Try this 9. What if we plug a 4 in here? That makes us 9, 4, 9. That 9 makes this our 7. 9 makes this our 5. 5. Yep. So then this would have to be a 5 or 7. We've already got those covered. So that is it for today's puzzle. Yet again, if you saw where I made a mistake, please leave a comment down below. I hope you have a really good day, and I will see you back here tomorrow with our next puzzle.